can't stop it otherwise because I want it to all be like one straight video. Okay. So
Let's
I'll
go
try
now.
slowly. Oh, it's going right now? Oh, okay, that's fine. So I'll try and go slowly because it's not too good at capturing sound and video on the move. But this is Hoover Dam, and this is a lot of people taking in the beautiful Hoover Dam. And we were tools, the both of us, because we have this awesome digital video camera, and we totally, look on the right side over there, water and the dam. We totally forgot. Do you want the window open?
Yeah.
We totally forgot to actually, you can stick it out the window if you want to. Just hold it, okay? We totally forgot to actually use it while we had it. So I'm going to go really slowly, there's no one behind me. And look on the right side.
Do the bottom back one.
They are building a brand new bridge over the Hoover Dam. Look at this gold door and the pillar. How cool. And then try to get them the water time.
Keep going.
Wow, that's a huge, huge bridge. This is the project they're undertaking right now, this massive bridge. Look behind it, look over there on the mountain. It's so cool, right? Bye-bye, Hoover Dam, that was so cool. Thank you for the visit. Oh, actually, there might be some more stuff right here. We'll see when we come around. Get any views of... Oh, behind you. Look down there, look down there. Look behind you. Turn the camera around. Like behind you. Maybe.
Yeah, there's can't really get in over there.
Or just go like this. Okay, bye Hoover Dam. Bye Arizona/Nevada. Catch you later.